Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are not subscribed already, girl, what you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But today we're gonna get into this hairstyle I just did for y'all. I'm sorry I gotta do voiceover. It is so loud in my house. But if y'all want to see how to get this hairstyle, stay tuned. And if you're worried about my necklace or whatever, like you know what I'm saying, you wanna know where I got it from, it's Vitality Drip Jewels. I'm actually an influencer for the company, and follow me on Instagram at Lauren Love Lux. I will have the link in the description box. And without further ado, we are about to get started. So I was having my little jam session, you know, with my wig cap on because I didn't feel like I had to do that whole thing for y'all. So we're gonna go into the Ibn tinted lace spray in light warm brown. I've already sprayed the front of my wig cap, so I'm just gonna do the inside. If you want to see exactly how I install this wig, I do have another video on that, and I'm gonna put that in the description box as well. As I'm sitting here minding my business, vitamin my got to be on, the freaking can run out of spray. Girl, I was so mad. You see, I'm still trying to make believe like the spray gonna come out if I just shake it 1 or 2 times. See, I was angry, but yeah, we about to get back into this tutorial. And as I was cleaning my forehead, I realized I had a cut right there, so that alcohol really burned. But anyway, so what I do is I hot comb the front of the wig just to make sure that the hair is straight so that the baby hairs don't get caught up in this glue. And we're using the boho glue. I use this glue in all my videos, either regular boho or boho active. Get my popsicle stick. Like I said, if y'all want to see this full routine in depth, head over to the video I'm going to put in the description box. So I'm just going to apply the wig, and then we're going to get into this Bali situation. So now we're going to attempt to get this part straight down the middle. Me personally, I always have a hard time doing this, but we're going to try today, okay? So today we're going to use a lot of body wrap, lotion, mousse, whatever, and we're going to put it around the edges just to like do like a soft lay of my baby hairs. I like to do a soft lay first, like use some mousse to manipulate them so I can see where they would lay before I get the extreme gel, which will really hold them down. Just to make sure, girl, you don't want no crunchy edges and you don't even like where they placed at. So just so I can move them around a little bit, I like to do that first. And then what we're going to do is take a wrap, and we're going to wrap around our hairline and the baby hairs just to make sure that part is like laid down so the glue can really settle in and everything. And while that is happening, we're going to go and use a spray bottle with just water and a little bit of ISee moist conditioner. And we're just going to put that throughout the hair to kind of get it a little soft, get the curls popping so that we can start on these ponytails. Y'all, I'm not going to lie, this took me a while because, I don't know, I didn't have like all my clips and stuff, so bear with me, okay? Alright, so we're just going to take our hands, we're going to section off each side of the head, but first I just want to point out to you guys that I don't go all the way down when I put up these ponytails because I take the piece of hair that's kind of like behind the ear and lay that down, like let it, I don't put it in the ponytail because I don't want to lift up the wig and then you see nothing but my braids or whatever because I don't glue my wigs like behind my ears. So I'm going to take a rubber band because that was like the smallest thing I could think of that would work for these ponytails. And I'm going to actually do the ponytail twice. Sorry, use 2 rubber bands. Do one time, do another time to kind of like lay the ponytail. Sorry, my voice is like really messed up right now, but I'm trying to get this done. I'm trying to, you know, for you guys. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm talking about. Had I had my clips, I would not be getting like the back hairs and you know what I'm saying? Like it would have laid a lot flatter, but I just could not. I don't know why. Every time I try to record a video, like I do a hairstyle nicely. I do it so good. And then when I try to record a video, I can't find nothing. See that time if I had to clip my hair back. If you have a clip, clip the hair that's laying down in the back, clip it back so that it don't get caught up in the ponytail. But y'all, I tried. Like, I really tried to recreate this hairstyle for y'all. So, yeah, just put it in the two ponytails. Like, mine, at first, they're going to look crappy, but you can always, like, move them by, like, squeezing, you know, tightening the ponytail, all that stuff. But look, y'all, so I tried one more time with this spray, girl. Because I was like, I got to get this thing delayed. I got to get something happening. And look, girl, it came out. I was like, yes. Oh, my God. So, okay. So just spray, if you have any more, got to be, spray the hairline. And that's what really lets it, like, melt into your skin and make it look all, you know what I'm saying, like you grew the hair or whatever. So after we done, we going to take the Lotta Body setting. I love the smell of this stuff, and I was just gonna put it all throughout the hair. I didn't put it through the hair first because I just wanted to make sure I had the ponytail straight before I start. See it sliding down, you gotta, you know what I'm saying, you gotta fix these ponytails, girl. They be in the way sometimes. So now we're gonna get into the Balis. So I have some pink ones to go with my outfit that I am actually wearing today. I didn't put them in any specific order. Like I was just trying to make sure I had all the colors on there. So today we're using four. I'm using a clear one. That I'm gonna use this pink one that's so cute, and then they have like this like clearish pink and this white one. Y'all gonna see it's gonna look so cute. So that's how I put the Ballies in. I just kind of like, they're easy. You just take one and put it over the other. There's usually like, if you pull the band in between, you just slide it through just like that, and that's how you put them on. It's simple, it's easy. Taking them off though, you know what I'm saying, I don't know, that's not as easy, but for me, I just want to be complicated and try to make like some extra design. But after a while, I just said whatever, they on there. Because don't get me wrong, this is a very easy style. These Ballies are very easy to put on, but my light kept dying, my phone kept ringing. Like, it took me a long time to do this. So after a while, I just said whatever, they on there, they're on there. But girl, have fun with it, you know. Stack the Ballies however you want to. They come in packs with different colors, and these balls you can get from the beauty supply store, they're only like 99 cents, and you get like a big pack of them with like 12 or something like that. Like, it's a lot of them in there. So I did one side. I was like, yay, cool, time for the other side. It's fucking similar. At this point, I don't care. I tried. I'm irritated, but check out the baby fat. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but this is the final look. I was actually happy with the hairstyle, happy with how the whole, you know, thing turned out. Be sure to hit that like button if you do like this hairstyle. Please comment, interact with me, and again, follow me on social media. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm just doing a little twist and turn so y'all can really get into this hairstyle, get into the whole vibe of it. This little 90s little Bali situation. Bali's ain't only just for kids, girl. You know, get cute with your hairstyles and try something new, you know. And I will see you guys next time.